Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to be testing out the .177 slugs from Griffin ammo. There's a few different kind of styles of slugs that I'm going to be testing. It's only going to be at 40 yards, so it's pretty close range, I would say. There's a few slugs that do perform pretty damn good at 40 and 80 as well. Next video is going to be at 80 yards, but for today, just 40 yards. So before I recorded this video, I was testing out different slugs like the NSA slugs, and for some reason I decided to remove the shroud of the Hatsan just to see if the groups were better without the shroud or with the shroud. So I did get better groups without the shroud, so just the barrel free floating. So in this video, I'm not really going to be using the shroud, or the next video as well. So next video is going to be 80 yards with the Hatsan, and then after that it's going to be the Benjamin Maximus or Benjamin Discovery, I would say, and I'm going to be testing the same slugs at 40 yards and 80 yards and see what kind of performance we get. From testing the slugs for a couple of months now, I kind of know a little bit more about what slug might perform well and what slug may not. So yeah, just stay tuned and I'll upload those videos here pretty soon. And I guess that's it. Let's get started on the video. Okay, so these are some of the slugs I'm going to be shooting today. I don't think I'm going to be able to shoot all of them, but we'll get a couple of them. So I think I'm going to start from the heaviest to the lightest. So this being 22 grains, 21, 20, 19, 18, 18, 17, 16, and 15. Some of them are cup base and some of them are flat base, and then this one here are boat tail. So like I said, I'm going to start with the heaviest to the lightest. So let's start with the 21 grain flat base hollow point, and then we'll continue with this ones, and then we'll go look at the groups. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to be starting with the Hatsan. So yeah. Alright, so we're going to start with the 22 grain flat base Griffin ammo, .177 caliber. This is a hollow point, so I got 5 shots. Let's see what kind of velocity we get. Alright, here we go. Something I didn't say earlier was that I filled the rifle up to 250 bar, pretty close to 250 bar. I don't think it was all the way to 250 bar, so let's just say 225, 235. So I did take like 3 magazines, just shot pellets, just had a little bit of fun. So trying to get the pressure down. So now we're going to be trying out the 21 grain boat tail slugs. I'm going to try to put a picture so you guys can see them better. So here we go, 5-shot group, 40 yards. Let's see if the velocity picked up. Hopefully it's not very low. Alright, here we go. Alright, so 21 grain boat tail slugs from Griffin ammo, 40 yards. Here we go. Alright, so far I've shot the 22 grain slugs. Let me find them real quick. So 22 grain .177 FB, which is flat base hollow point. They shot decently, pretty good. I think it was pretty good. So I would have liked to shoot them just a little bit faster. So like I said, I did fill the Hatsan to about 230 bar. Now the pressure is a little bit lower than that. And I also did shoot the 21 grain rear boat tail hollow point. They did not work. I was shooting at the target at first, then I decided to shoot at the dirt to see if what kind of pattern they had. They were just shooting all over the place. So now what I'm going to be testing are the 19 grains hollow point. Hollow base, hollow point. So these are hollow base. I don't know. We're gonna see how they work. And then 18 grains flat base, hollow point. So these are the two next ones we're gonna be trying out right now. Yeah. So all right, guys. Here are the 20 grains dish base hollow point. Let's see what kind of accuracy we get from them. Alright, should be good. Alright, so these are the 20 grain dish base slugs hollow point. Alright, so those groups look pretty good. Now we're going to be trying the 19 grains hollow base. So let's see what they can do. Alright, guys, now we're going to be shooting the 18 grains flat base hollow point. So let's see what kind of velocity we get with 18 grains, and these are the hollow base. So let's see. Alright, here we go. Alright, we should be good. Alright, 18 grains flat base. Let's see. Okay, let's go look at the groups, see what kind of performance we got from the slugs. Okay, here we are at the groups. These are the 22 grains, 40 yards, using the Hatsan Nova. This is about 1/4 of an inch maybe, these 3 shots here, which the group is about an inch, not bad. These here are the 20 grains. I don't remember the flat base or what they are. I'm gonna have to look. So they're about 3/4 of an inch. And then these are the 19 grains hollow base slugs. They're about 2 inches maybe, or 1.5 inches. And then these are the 18 grains, which they're about 1 inch. So yeah. Alright, so now we're going to continue with the 18 grains DB, which is dish base. 17 grains DB dish base LDC. So inside it should have like a little plastic thing, basically a larger hollow point. 16 grains HP, which is hollow base, and 15 grains dish base LDC. So I'll put a picture of the LDC for you guys. I'll put a picture of the slugs as well. So yeah, let's see what kind of groups we get. So far the other groups are looking pretty good, so let's see what we get now. So here we go with the 18 grains DB hollow point. 18 grains, dish base. Alright guys, so far the 18 grains dish base are looking pretty damn good. They look about maybe like a dime size groups. So now we're gonna go with the 17 grains dish base LDC slugs. So here we go. Alright, so now we're going to be shooting the 16 grains hollow base, hollow point. So let's see what kind of performance we get from them. Alright, 16 grains hollow base. Now I'm going to be shooting the 15 grains DB LDC slugs, so dish base slugs. Let's go take a look at the groups downrange. Okay, so these are the 18 grains dish base, 17 grain dish base, 16 grains hollow base, 15 grains. I believe they're LDC slugs. I'm about to confirm that right now. So we are looking about maybe under an inch, maybe right here, under an inch. This is looking around about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, and this is about 1 inch, and this is about 1/2 inch or smaller. So yeah.